hello. This is a quick behind-the-scenes video. We are filling the giant narwhal. Cautiously so we don't lose any recording. And Arty, are you trying to get in the middle of this whole thing? Do you like the camera stand? It's cool because I found it for free. So yeah, this is what I'm busy doing. This little one is getting in the middle of it. I have a new camera, so I'm trying to make sure that I don't lose any footage while I'm filling this giant narwhal. And, yeah, that's about where we're at. So, let's hope this little one behaves. You gonna behave there? Hello, you. You gonna behave? Oh. Yes? Well, we know you are, because you're the best, aren't you? Are you the best, Arty? Is Arty the best? Oh, the baby. Hi to the baby. Hi. Investigatory. Alrighty, well, this behind the scenes is gonna just kind of drag out if I keep going too long. But fun times, good times, happy times, random video. Trying to keep things very, very, very casual and normal around here. Ha! As if that's possible. But, yeah. Wow. That looks really gay. Whoa! Alright. So, I'll get back to this, narwhal here. Woo! As you watch me not know how to technology. Ah! So, oh yeah, I've also been, I've been painting. Anyways. Back to the filming. And the mild disruption by this one. Hello. You ham? Oh. Hi, Arty. Have you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes video? Are you a ham? Yes, you're a ham. Ooh, and you're a fierce predator. Ah, about to attack your prey, me. Ah. Oh, it's the baby. Gotta love the baby. Okay to the baby. You know you're cute. We all know you're adorable. And now you're hiding in the shadows. So, back to the normal. Oh, hello, me. Filming me. Doing, hello. Whoa. What's that, cat? Are you a piranha? Are you a piranha? Fierce lion. What are you going to do? Let me get back to work? No. Possibly not. Whoa, bruh. Okay. It's been super fun, but... Oh, wow. That's pretty cool, though, huh? Woo! Hi in there. Hello. Whoa. Wowzers. Okie dokie. Catch you later. Arty. Say bye-bye to all the peoples. Bye-bye, peoples. Say bye-bye to all the peoples. Oh, you said bye-bye to the peoples. Okay.